this is my 3 red snapper, and what I'm gonna do with these 3 snapper, I'm gonna cut them in half, each one of them in half, because it's not a big family, it's just a small family. And what I'm gonna do, just slice them in half and just cook 3 today and 3 the next day. So what I'm doing now, I'm just putting some vinegar in my water to just clean up my seasoning, right? So scallion, okra, bell peppers, different colors of bell peppers, red, green, and yellow, my carrot, my okra, and my thyme, my garlic, and my onion, my carrot, and my pumpkin, guys. So this is all of my ingredients, and I'm going to use 3 powder seasoning, which is my fish seasoning, all purpose, and some black pepper. So guys, this is how I sliced up my fish to prepare it, and this is how I season up my fish. So I had an extra seasoning, which is some paprika, just to give the fish a little color when it's in the pot. So that's what I did, okay? So I let my oil go well hot before I put in the fish to avoid the fish from cooking in the pot and steam. When I'm turning the fish, it don't cook in the pot. It just kind of easily to that. Just that. I'm just changing over my pot now, guys. Just putting some oil in my pot. Gonna let my vegetables stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes in the pot with my fish season. Gonna strain off the noodle and use the powder to stir fry and to steam down my fish. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to add all of my vegetables. I'm just going to let them stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes. And the reason why for that, when I go to put in my fish, my vegetables stay crunchy. And I'm going to also let my fish steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Also, I'm not going to put any ketchup in the pot because the gravy is going to be good. So I don't have to use more ketchup in my fish fry. And if you're gonna have, you don't have to eat more rice and flour and a dumpling. You just can have the fish with the vegetable. Okay, guys. So tell me, comment and tell me. my Jamaican brown stew fish. This is the finished look of my Jamaican brown stew fish. I put no ketchup in there, guys, and the gravy is so nice and rich. Yes man, Jamaican brown stew fish. Okay guys, so guys, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing out my video, thank you for the thumbs up, and big up on yourself guys. God bless, and come back again on the next video. Bye. And continue to subscribe and share and comment, and continue to give me a big thumbs up. Okay guys.